I had the privilege of capturing this footage of a vernal hanging parrot in Munnar, Kerala. The bird's adept camouflage within the dense foliage made it nearly impossible to spot. Allow me to share some interesting information about this remarkable bird. The vernal hanging parrot is a small, vibrant green bird native to the Indian subcontinent and Southeast Asia. These parrots are instantly recognizable by their colorful plumage, featuring a distinctive red rump and bill. Males also have a striking blue throat patch, setting them apart from females and juveniles. Despite their small size, these parrots are quite agile and can often be seen displaying their acrobatic abilities while feeding. These parrots thrive in various environments, from dry jungles and forests to cultivated areas. They have a particular affinity for banyan and plantain trees, which not only provide food but also sustainable nesting sites. Often found high in the forest canopy, the green feathers offer excellent camouflage, making them a challenge to spot. The diet of the vernal hanging parrot mainly consists of fruits, seeds, buds, and blossoms. They are known to visit gardens and orchards in search of food. These parrots play a crucial role in their ecosystem by aiding in seed dispersal and pollination through their feeding habits. Their ability to mimic sounds and voices, though not as proficient as some other parrot species, adds an intriguing aspect to their behavior. Currently, the vernal hanging parrot is listed as least concern by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, or IUCN, indicating that the species is not at immediate risk of extinction. However, habitat loss and fragmentation due to deforestation and urbanization pose potential threats to their population. Despite these challenges, the resilience and adaptability of these parrots continue to fascinate birdwatchers and nature enthusiasts alike. In summary, the vernal hanging parrot is a fascinating and colorful bird species with unique behaviors and characteristics. Their vibrant appearance, acrobatic feeding habits, and crucial role in their ecosystem make them a delight to observe.